Welcome to Gus Does This. How would you like to take a table that looks like this and turn it into something that looks like this? Well, that's what I've done. Alright, so what you're seeing here is I have attached the table using 4 very large screws to the base. I've still got some screws underneath that I will attach later that are smaller, that are just going to be there for stability. Anyway, I've also just put my first coat of polyurethane on it, and so far I like it. No stain, just leaving the birch natural. And we'll come back tomorrow or the next day and maybe put a light sand on it, put a second coat. A few days from then we'll put a third coat, and I think after that we should be good. Welcome back, this is Gus. We have finally completed the project. Cleaned the insert up and set it in there. Looks great. Put one of these cup holders out and show you. I just put a layer or two of duct tape on them just to get them to fit a little tighter. Really nice. The tabletop is just a tiny bit higher than the edge. I wish it was kind of the other way around, but you know, I like it. It'll serve its purpose well. I'll include a link in the description to show you where I got some of this material. The material here, the padding underneath this, where I got the cups, and we'll go from there. Cool. Hope you like it. I had fun. Didn't take too long. A little time here and there every night for a while. Anyway, off to the next project.